Mastering phrasal verbs, vacuum up. Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we've got a very interesting phrasal verb to explore. Vacuum up. You might be picturing a vacuum cleaner right now, and you're not far off. Phrasal verbs can be tricky, but they're essential to mastering the English language. So, let's dive into what this phrase means and how to use it properly in conversation. Vacuum up is a phrasal verb that can be used both literally and figuratively. In its literal sense, it refers to using a vacuum cleaner to clean up dirt, dust, or small particles from a surface. For example, I need to vacuum up the crumbs from the kitchen floor. But there's more. Vacuum up can also be used in a figurative sense to mean absorbing or taking in something quickly and completely. This could be information, resources, or even money. For instance, she has a knack for vacuuming up knowledge on any subject. Let's see how vacuum up works in different contexts. Literal use. After the party, we had to vacuum up all the confetti off the couch. Please vacuum up the pet hair. It's everywhere. Figurative use. The company has been vacuuming up smaller startups to expand its portfolio. He vacuumed up the book's content in one night before the exam. Remembering the use of vacuum up is all about the context. Here are some tips. If it's about cleaning, it's literal. If it's about quickly absorbing, it's figurative. Up, in this phrasal verb, indicates completeness or thoroughness. Now, let's practice with a few sentences where you can fill in the blanks. 1. Can you blank all the glitter on the floor? 2. He's good at blank new languages quickly. That's a wrap on vacuum up. I hope this video helps clear up any confusion and adds a new phrase to your English toolkit. Use it in your next conversation or look out for it when reading. Happy learning, and until next time, keep absorbing that knowledge. Vacuum it up.